15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Sorkar Shillong Meghalaya hakakat artari ujemang arjara pun riu kalapan mi dagajing penbenaban bujli bat Pynkynriah kam yaki babon ki Ophisar IPS bat MPS ceki benta baper jong gejela. Yakari ke hukum Pynkynriah lapan mi dagatanat Home Police Department kat kum gajing ai jimut jong Civil Services Board CSB bat Police Establishment Board PEB. Lingba uba FR Karkongor IES Principal Secretary katanat Home Police. Kat kum kajing penpena la Pynkynriah yau Jerry Fisher Kim Marak IPS ubalong u DIG Western Range Tura bala thong yu kum u DIG Eastern Range Shillong un shim banta ha kajaka jong Shri Vivekanand Singh IPS ubala syak Pynkynriah bujli syatura kum u DIG Western Range. Hagawai pat ka hukum la Pynkynriah yau Siddharth Kumar Ambedkar IPS Commandant jong ka 5th MLP Battalion Samanda bala thong yu kum u Commandant jong ka 6th MLP Battalion Umran ha kajaka jong Ashish IPS. Ushayendra Bamania IPS SP South Garo Hills District Bagmara lathung yu kumu SP CID Shillong katbaw ringrang TG Moment MPS ubadan ha CID Shillong la Pynkynriah yu kumu SP ka South Garo Hills District. La Pynkynriah yu Power Swapnil Vasantarao IPS SP ka North Garo Hills District Resibel Para bat lathung yu kumu SP ka East Garo Hills District William Nagar ula shimi ka jaka jong ba Stephen E Renja MPS ubala syak Pynkynriah kumu Commandant jong ka 5th MLP Battalion Samanda. Napadang kiwaipan, la Pynkynriah yau Naman Kumar IPS SP in bracket VIS Shillong balathong yu kumu SP CM Security Shillong hagajaka jong Ishan Gupta IPS ubanday no SP ka North Garo Hills District Resibel Para. Udivansh Pandey IPS SP City Shillong lathong kumu Assistant Inspector General of Police Law and Order Shillong baragajaka jong u lathong yau ba Dangsan Kriem MPS kumu SP City Shillong. La Pynkynriah yu Ashish IPS Commandant jong ka 6th MLP Battalion Umran balathong yu kumu SP VIS Shillong. Shushu yu Hari Prasant MR IPS Superintendent of Police MPRO Tura kumu SP Traffic East Khasi Hills Shillong. Sorkar kala Pynkynriah ru yu ba Jeffrey Wembok Lingdo MPS Assistant Inspector General of Police Law and Order kumu SP East and West Khasi Hills District Mairang. Kini berok gijing Pynkynriah kin try kam nadu katarik baki Ophisar kin shimti ya kakam lane hado banda penmi hukum thamai.
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.